throttle. This is the pedal. When you push the pedal, you have some play here. So it's not even moving the actual throttle. So at full throttle, we're getting probably a quarter of what we're getting this, when the full throttle should be way back there. Okay. Full throttle from the car. This is all it moves. Dale! And that's full throttle. But, full throttle, but we still have all this left. That!
Si quieres cortar. La mejor forma de cortarlo es con el quarter.
Ah, no.
No, eso no va, se va. Desde que tú salgas por ahí se va, vaya. Se va a dar otra vez.
Yo no dudo que se haya doblado.
Todo.
Ojalá. Mira, es entero fue.
Todo se dobló.
La más entera. So this is the trajectory of the throttle cable. It began in the back, came around to the golden base there, and then pulled the throttle stick that way. The pressure caused this golden base to bend, and now the car doesn't accelerate as properly as it did before.
Ponerle.
The throttle cable's trajectory starts from the throttle shaft here, through this base, and then has to travel through an L shape to the actual throttle stick of the carburetor. So we have to put another base here, feed the cable through it in order to pull the actual throttle of the carburetor and get that lever pull motion. Another option is to move the cable up farther on that throttle shaft so we can have a little more travel and the cable can travel further, opening the throttle even more.
suavecito, man.
Here we test the throttle. This is the new throttle all hooked up. Before we cut the cable, this is the new trajectory from the throttle shaft down to the base, over to the new base, over to the carburetor and the spring. So now we're going to start it up.